Hello, Joni Rotten here. I've got a quick one for you this time, as it's not an entire article, but it comes from Carger, the hormone research in pediatrics. Yes, it is such a thing. This is from November 15th of 2005, which is why I found that to be so interesting. It's been a while that they've been aware. So precocious puberty, growth, and genetics. The abstract reads here, you can download the entire paper if you wish to, but I'm going to read the abstract. The precise neuroendocrine mechanisms underlining activation of hypothalamic pituitary gonadal GP or HPG axis maturation are elusive. The wide age range of pubertal onset among normal individuals throughout the world may suggest that both genetic and environmental factors modulate the timing of puberty. Early activation of the HPG axis, termed central precocious puberty or CPP, causes psychosocial difficulties and may lead to compromised final height. You might not be as tall, especially if medical intervention is delayed. Although CPP is considered to be idiopathic in the majority of patients, we have recently reported a 27.5% prevalence of familial cases among 147 patients with idiopathic CPP. Segregation analysis of this cohort suggests an autosomal dominant transmission with incomplete sex-dependent penetrance. And some allelic variants of candidate genes that regulate the timing of puberty may cause familial CPP. Detection of these genes will provide a tool for identification of children at risk of developing CPP, enabling early intervention with the aim of preventing its distressing outcomes. So if we can do a genetic testing on the infant, we can see if they are susceptible and then, do something about it before it becomes a problem. So here is some cited references here. So you get all of that: common genetic influences, human growth principle and prenatal growth, let's see, growth patterns in Indian girls adopted in Sweden. Well, that's an interesting thing. 1991, we had a bunch of Indian girls adopted in Sweden to be used for a research study, apparently. What the hell do I read? What does that mean? It sounds like you had people adopt Indian children so that you could do research tests on them. Anyway, in Sweden, which we read a lot of their tests on children. If you're a child over there, they're very interested in you. And so that's a very scary thing there. Anyway, that is, man, there's a lot of references here. How many do we get? 53, 2005. And it's a drug dosage disclaimer at the end of that. I don't have access to read the content, but if I want to, I can sign up. Anyway, interesting article from all the way back then.